Hi there, my name is Korak Roy. I'm 32 years old. I grew up in Calcutta. अभी कोलकाता है तब कैलकाटा था. Studied film studies from St. Xavier's Calcutta. 2015 में पास आउट किया, दिल्ली चला गया, started working as a reporter for NTV. फिर बॉम्बे आया 2016 में, started working as an anchor, did a lot of work in Bollywood. Movie reviews, trailer reviews, vox pops, road shows. एक चीज़, बॉम्बे गया तो था मैं एक्टर बनने. एक चीज़ बड़ी जल्दी मैंने रियलाइज़ कर लिया था कि वो आराम नगर में खड़े होके एवरीडे ऑडिशन वो मैं दे नहीं पाऊंगा, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो जनरेशनल वेल्थ, देयर वाज नो वेल्थ एट ऑल. सिंगल मदर कैलकाटा में, उनको सपोर्ट करना था, खुद को सर्वाइव करना था बॉम्बे में. सो थैंकफुली एंकरिंग का कीड़ा था, तो केप्ट डूइंग वर्क इन दैट. Touchwood, thankfully, a lot of work kept coming. Became an RJ at Radio Mirchi, did that for 2 years in Bombay. And then 2021 is when the first break as an actor happened. This production house called Dice Media, the one that produced Little Things with Mithila Palkar. Unka latest show aa raha tha called Clutch, so I played one of the characters there. The director of Clutch, Ruchir Arun, unka next show aa raha tha called Unpaused Naya Safar on Amazon Prime Video, so I played one of the characters there of a YouTube motivational speaker. And then the big one happened in 2023 where Sudhir Mishra sir was making Affa, and I played one of the characters there of a news reporter. And a fourth one has happened as well called Pinecone, directed by Unir sir. That is, I think, currently doing the rounds in festivals or aane wali OTT pe very soon. So yeah, those are the 4 projects that I've done as an actor till now in the last 2.5-3 years. As an anchor, as an RJ, so I've been working for the last 9.5-10 years now. सिनेमा मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा पैशन है कि आई से आफ्टर माई मदर रेजिंग मी, पिक्चरों ने ही मुझे बनाया है. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू संदीप सर, आई एम लिटिल ऑब्सेस्ड विथ हिम. आई एम वेरी ऑब्सेस्ड विथ हिम बिकॉज उनकी फिल्में, स्पेशली अर्जुन रेड्डी और एनिमल, मैं बार बार देखता हूँ एक्चुअली. एंड ईच टाइम आई वॉच इट, आई फिगर आउट अ न्यू डिटेल और आई फिगर आउट अ न्यू एलिमेंट जो पिछली बार मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया था. एंड that's how incredible a storyteller I feel Sandeep sir is. I don't think anybody tells stories like the way Sandeep sir does, and that is why उनकी फिल्में हमें उस लेवल पे हिट करती है, because और कोई उस तरह कहानियाँ बताता नहीं है आजकल. So yeah, some basic details. I'm 32, जैसे मैंने कहा. My height is 5'7". Languages that I'm completely fluent in are Hindi, English, Bengali, and a little bit of Punjabi as well. If I get this chance to be a part of this film, I will give my blood, sweat, everything that I have, because that is how passionate I am about acting. And a project that Sandeep sir is making will just be the biggest thing that happens in my life. And I don't just mean career. It will be the biggest thing that happens in my life. So yes, thank you. I'm so sorry for exceeding the time. But yeah, thank you so much. And hopefully in person bhi milenge and not just over a phone video like this.